Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to unarchive photos on Google Photos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with your Google account. Now on your screen you can see photos from your phone and the photos that you backed up. Now on the bottom of your screen you're gonna find search, library, memories and photos. You have to go to library to find that archive photo. Now there you're gonna find favorites, archive, locked and trashed. So obviously you have to go to archive. Then on the top right corner you're gonna see three-dot menu. Just tap on it, then select photos. Select the photo that you want to archive. Then again tap on that three-dot menu and select an archive option right above favorite. And guys, that's it. That's how you unarchive a photo on Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.